the closing doors, please.
Imagine this. You're packed onto a train. You're surrounded by chatter, screeching tracks, engine rumbles, and the everyday chaos of city life. Your productivity drops, your music sounds like static, and your stress levels? Through the roof. Sounds familiar? That's why finding the right pair of headphones isn't just a luxury. It's a survival tool for your daily commute. But let's be real. Not everyone wants to spend $300 on premium headphones just to survive a bus ride. The good news? There are budget-friendly options out there that offer fantastic sound, real noise cancellation, and all-day comfort without breaking the bank. And today, we're diving into the best of them. Top picks: budget commuting headphones. First up, Soundcore Life Q30. With powerful hybrid active noise cancellation, the Q30 blocks out engine noise and loud conversations. It's got a whopping 40-hour battery life and plush ear cups for extra comfort. For under $80, it's a true commuter's hero. Second, Sony WH-CH520. It might not have ANC, but the sound is crisp, customizable through Sony's app, and it lasts up to 50 hours on one charge. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect if you're tight on bag space. Third, headphone JBL Tune 660NC. If you love bass, this one's for you. It brings solid ANC, folds up nicely for travel, and delivers JBL's signature punchy sound. With around 35 hours of battery life with ANC, it's a powerful little beast. When picking your perfect pair, here's what to watch out for. Noise cancellation. Go for active noise cancellation, trust me, it makes all the difference in a noisy environment. Sound quality. You want a balanced frequency response, something that doesn't make your music sound muddy or overly sharp. Comfort. If your commute lasts more than 20 minutes, comfort becomes critical. Look for padded headbands and soft ear cups. So, let's recap. The Soundcore Life Q30 best all-rounder with ANC. The Sony WH-CH520 unbeatable battery life and light design. And the JBL Tune 660NC for bass lovers who need great sound and foldability. Ultimately, the best headphones for you depend on your preferences. Do you value noise blocking, long battery, or deep sound? Drop a comment below with your favorite budget headphones. Or tell us which one you're thinking of trying. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a fellow commuter in need. See you in the next one here on Tube Mentor.